But time don't reach for us to tell you the Kajat guests that we get inside the studio. Now, a lot of on our way they out there, you get business idea, but you they fear. Say, I go to start this business. Oh, I get this idea. Economy not good. Oh, hey, money not there. The economy. Oh, circulation money not there. Oh, we don't get one Kajat guest inside the studio, whether they call the phenomenal sales lady. She's a bold entrepreneur, and she don't ready to tell you the Kajat things what you need to do if you want to actually start business. Join me, welcome Bridget Ngozi Ezeobiako inside the Good Morning Naija show. How you doing this morning?
Very well, thank you.
Good to have you here.
Yes.
Now that they call you the phenomenal sales lady before we actually go into the things where you get on ground. Why the phenomenal sales lady?
Well, I don't sell markets now. It don't pass 12 years.
12 years.
Wow.
I believe saying I just grace where God give me. And then I can't help myself, study, do all kinds of things. So you go need to, maybe you not get money. For me to pitch markets to you, you not buy them.
Wow. Because you get that sweet tongue, the person must buy them.
Yes.
It's not possible.
All right, the talk so you be, according to the information they say you be transformational coach. You be business strategist for young people. We get great and fantastic ideas and passion. We fit to make profitable businesses, but then they're afraid to start up. Now, for this recession, now a lot of people don't decide to sit down, think within themselves, especially the ones where they don't get work anymore. But the issue now, according to waiting some of them, they come outside, they talk and say, then they fear, the fear of the unknown. How you fit to bring in this, your transformational coach and your business strategies to those kind of people to convince them, say, fear of the unknown is actually a bold step in their making.
I believe say everybody will get idea, get the capacity to achieve that idea.
Okay.
They fit turn that idea to big business portfolio. Fear, I assume fear as feeling. Say, okay, this thing happen. What if I fail? Waiting people go talk. Young people get to start to know, say, waiting people go talk no matter for business. If you won't do something, calculate the risk properly. Now, the strategy where would they use? If you don't calculate, don't get plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. If A no work, you go do B. If B no work, you go do C. Now, waiting at they try help young people. No. Say, for your life, for you to do better, for you to achieve that thing when you supposed to do for life, you get to sit up. Come on, fear from your mind. Calculate and well, if you won't take one step, you know say you take the one step. Nobody say you answer by mistake. Now, waiting at they help young people now.
No, but see, apart from the fear of going into the business, there's still the fear of capital. I not get the kind of money to start this business. So, oh, this business now 1 million, now it will actually cost me. Oh. Is that a valid fear?
I don't think saying a valid fear. Because that money, you feel start from where you are. No business where you won't do where you know if you start from where you are. And money are the third to the fourth thing in business, in running a business. If you want to do business, first gather the idea first. If you don't gather the idea, draw a business plan. No matter how the plan day, no matter, you know, got to be big book. Just draw a plan, write something down, or note waiting you won't take, waiting this business won't achieve, which value it won't give you. Then speak with people where you know, say, they that kind field. So that you go know waiting they don't go through. If possible, work under them small. From there, you go down, they find opportunities, and you go they build network. We go help your business.
All right, we're going to need to leave our phone lines open right now for you, where they're out there for you, in case you get any question to ask concerning being an entrepreneur or the way forward for inside this recession. Our control number is 012772195, tapping at 012777195 or 012778195. Our toll-free number there for you to call us. That's 0800 Wazobia TV. Calling now. Ask any question we concern your business to our guest, because she there to answer you, and she there only for you. Now you talk, say, make people write down their business from your life, or write down the idea where you get. Now some people, when it comes to business plan, for some people, it be like say they use handcuff them for them, because they don't know where to start. They don't know how to go. They don't know. In fact, they even know, some of them when they try to research, it be like say the confusion, it just they increase. So how you they take step in for those kind of people to assist them?
For people where they think, say, they must write one big business plan for them to start business, Check all these big company. Most of themselves, they never check their business plan in years. The truth be say, business plan, no, it no get to be big book. You know wetin the value where you dey create. You know wetin you want achieve. Wetin I dey tell them be say, start first. At least get plan one day at a time. Okay, this business, this is wetin I want to make this business they do. Then start from where you are. If you don't write, it no need to be big book. Just note down wetin dey your mind, wetin you want give. For instance, person will like to see people look beautiful. You want they do, maybe you want they dress up people for their events. You want they go do shopping for people. You know wetin you want achieve. I want do this. Who are the people where I want dress up? Middle class, rich people, this. Wetin be my style. Then you don't do that one. Then you calculate where you want to go get your market. It's as easy as ABC. But most people, they won't make the right business plan, put them for placard. No be the business plan go make the business work. The business plan is just the Bible for the business.
You actually talk something where it's still sticking to my head. You talk, say, if you get passion for something, work on that person where don't they do one, so that you feel learn from them. Now, I don't interact with a lot of graduates, with a lot of unemployed graduates where they're out there. And most of them are not ready to work for free, even though, say, now the kind of thing where they want to. They're not ready to work for free. They'll say, okay, if he's ready to give me like half of the salary, no, well, I go do one. But to come work for free just because say, I want to learn what they do. No, I'm not going to fit do one. I don't understand how you fit actually work on the person without any money and still be alive.
Many of us, they think say money now be the solution to every problem. People got to understand.
But is it not the solution?
No be the solution.
Really?
Yes,
Without
I
money,
no
can we
believe.
Without
do
money, we feel even inside
No,
here
you
now.
need money, truth, but money no be the number one thing. Because if they no get that value where that person gets, how then go fit generate money later in life? I believe that people where down they do this thing, they also get brain, they get mind. They know say they take transport come, but you also have to pay a price. When you go school, you no pay school fees. You pay school fees now just to learn. Now be say now you they pay the person where they teach you. Now so it be for business. If you want to learn something, you go give something out. So people where they do this, you go just sit down with the person, explain, say I no get transport. I want to learn this thing. This now, okay, I feel they help you do this, which is a paid service. Why learning this? A lot of times they just want to help you do something. They just want to learn from you. They don't want to give at all. If you say, okay, you they drive, as I be drive, let me be your driver. Or make I be your PA while I they learn the work. So you they work for the person, you they give value where you get, and you they get value back.
Now, just quickly, I know say Luchi get a lot of questions. Now, you thought say you don't day into business for 12 years.
Yes.
I don't see a lot of people who don't day into business for 3 years in Nigeria, and they get a lot of challenges. Now, what be the challenges where you face as a business owner in Nigeria?
The challenge is plenty. Within all these years, I don't do so many businesses. The business where I don't even know the one where I never do. I don't sell. I don't buy and sell. I don't do spa. I don't do salon. I don't do so many different businesses. But
And are all of them still standing?
not all of them. Some
Okay.
of them, I don't come on hand for there.
Okay.
You know, say you go reach one point, you go say, I won't move on.
Okay.
You know, so some of them are still they do.
Okay.
But one of the major problems when I dey get na sustaining business. The economy the economy of this country, it dey help us make I no talk. It dey help us.
That's positive.
But you go look around you. I don't see say since when I start business, e get one staff carry my money run. That time I dey sell wholesale truckload of all these children products. Staff carry my money run.
This one a fellow Nigerian.
And this one na fellow Nigerian where I dey pay salary. You know, you get one where I do some staff things they miss for the shop. Things they miss for the shop. You go shout. It go be like say your brain won't drop for ground. You invest money. You know, say you get some kind of business. When then they see big money like this, it be them like say the money now your own.
No, yeah.
But the margin they very small.
Exactly.
So
Turnover.
the major problem where I don't get now trust of people. Talent.
Exactly. In
So
fact,
you
this
might
one.
So it did very surprising. To just say something, it did very surprising. Say you were on a business for 12 years. Your major problem now, even the badness where fellow Nigeria they actually give you, not even government.
No.
This one brings into question staffing, because now a lot of people, when they employ people, whether now for services or for product, they talk, say, getting the right kind of staff. And you know, say, for this recession now, the way people, they find work, their eye they see. Whether they get passion, they don't get passion. Or how when they see vacant, they don't need to see the C at the end, just vacant. The way people they apply. Everybody now is hustling. It is survival of the fittest now. So at this point in time, if person want employ for outside, they want employ graduates, unskilled graduate or unskilled labor people or skilled labor people, how the person go fit sieve the wheat from the chaff? Because now everybody they find work.
My sister.
So that we know, they don't get the
process.
kind, they don't get some of the kind of stories where you just come about, because a lot of people they complain, say staff thief this one, this
But
one.
is it not normal in business?
My sister, I know normal.
It is
not normal.
not supposed
Over
to be.
the years, I don't learn, say, talent, recruitment process. Now I go determine the sustainability of a business.
Bam.
So, how am I able to mitigate this issue? When I want recruit, I no go just do interview. You tell me something, I come out. I just accept you. I go search very well, check Facebook, check wetin you dey post for Facebook. If I don't know that, I go tell you, oh yeah, if I don't break down, okay, this person get talent. I know they too look academics, because some people, they just go school, cram all the book. No be say they get the value for inside them. Then I come to say the person gets small passion for wetin that they do. Then I can't look, okay, wetin be this? I can't know the person as an individual. Wetin be the person dream? Because some persons, they won't work because they need the money. No be say they like that thing way they do. So after that, I can't tell the person, work for me for a week. Make I see how they take work. Or make we just see wetin go happen. I go come dey monitor the person gradually. If the person work for a week, the person not do me well, I just pay the person for that 1 week. It better make I just lose that 1 week money. Make the person go. Make I get person wey go fit stay with the business. Because when they change staff, they change staff. You go, they train. Now work, now money. You know they have business.
I swear, I get a lot of questions to actually ask you. I know say you actually get a project on grant for people who get business idea. No worry, once you talk about them, you go actually benefit from them. But you just talk another thing where they very, very important. Now, how important be your social media activity on finding a job? Because you just saw something about, I go your Facebook. So how important be your social Instagram, your activity on Instagram,
LinkedIn.
Facebook, or whatever, in you getting a job? How is it? How
Very
important is it?
important. If person come say one work for company, we be say they are particular about person where they truthful, person where they modest, and then you can't go Facebook, can't see the kind of post. Some people just they post shabby pictures for Facebook. They go there with maybe one person where we say they don't break up with. They go post the breakup. They go post all the details of their life. Wrong things will don't happen to them. If you don't see the person trail, even if the person talks saying don't change, the truth be say that trail go still follow.
Right.
So you go also look Instagram, waiting that person.
Be
dey do.
careful what you post online, because times are changing.
Yes.
Wow.
Everybody we
Yeah.
want recruits now, they want staff where be say, if they sleep, close their eye. Because now where I want reach, where be say, if I know day, I want travel, my business still they run very well. Now waiting many people where they do business, no they achieve. You go see person where they do business, you go they stressed. Why? Because he no trust in staffs.
Okay, now another aspect in terms of businesses for people where they go into food businesses, fast-moving consumable goods, FCMG. Now, a lot of them they get issues in terms of, especially when we talk about supporting our made in Nigerian products. Now, when it comes to manufacturing, when it comes to edibles, it gets some standards where, of course, we need to keep up with if you want to go into that business. But now, registration, going through certification, going through the whole process, Bridget, it is very tedious. And at times, you feel like, say, this company, this organization, they want to frustrate you so that you go pass back door. Turn your hand like this, give them money so that they go come out their eye, tell you, say, make you go. Even when you are trying to do the right thing.
And I wouldn't be surprised that you're not named as part of the challenges. And I also need to commend most of these government agencies, even NAFDAC, because I don't see a lot of young entrepreneurs tell me, say, okay, because say I send my ideas to these agencies, they waive the fee for me. So we go still give them credit. But still not challenges. But you not actually mention that for part of your challenges.
Well, if you they do the right thing, Nigeria don't reach stage where we say if they do the right thing, you go, it might take time, but you go scale through. And if we can't they look, say we want pass back door, which day we go they pass front door?
Yeah.
Not if they pass back door. I believe in integrity. And whether we like it or yes, people will get integrity still the government.
Oh, yes.
Which day I won't renew my driver's license. If you see the process to renew, they do exam. You write exam. They will tell you, close one eye. Can you see that number? Can you see that number? If you want reverse, wait. And they look, say, this is not my country. But the problem is, say, we no want get patience. Most people will want register things for food department. They no want get patience. If you give it time, say, okay, now 6 months it go take, even if it's supposed to take 3 months, give it 6 months. It go work out. So I believe, say, it's not an issue. In the long run, it's not
We
an
should
issue.
stop finding the easy way out. That's now why the president come outside talk, say, change begins with me. Stop finding the easy way out. Now you get a project on ground for people who get business ideas. Tell us more about the ideas and how people where they watch us, we actually enjoy them.
The project where I get on ground is called Bold Entrepreneurs. And I won't start a WhatsApp group. So for that WhatsApp group, anybody fit join the WhatsApp group. Anybody will fit text our number. Just say, I am a bold entrepreneur. Then we'll go add you for the WhatsApp group. If you get business opportunity or business idea, where you want do, where you dey fear to start, or you don't know how you go take start, or you don't know who you go take meet to take start, the WhatsApp group will give you leverage of network. We'll also give you investment opportunities where they exist.
Where you don't even know
where
about.
you don't know about.
Just
then,
before
yes.
you go on, we get Kelvin. Kelvin is on the line all the way from Lagos State. Good morning, Kelvin.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the show, Kelvin.
Kelvin, quickly talk to us. Just quickly talk to us.
Listen to your show, but on the contrary, now this lady to my left, I just dey look her eyes.
Kelvin, speak up, I beg. You need to
You
speak
need to
up.
speak
make we
up
hear you
and
well.
turn down the volume of your TV. Hello, Kelvin. All right, you're going to call us back. Okay, madam, you will talk about the group.
So the purpose of the group be say, most people, they don't even know where to put leg. They don't know who to ask. They don't even fear. Say if they talk about their business, people go thief am, you know? But the group, it go give you opportunity to have one-on-one chat with us. We go feed, they tell you tips on ideas of your business, waiting you go feed do, how you go start from where you are to where you ought to be, and how you go take sustain. It be like free training. You go to get all the opportunities where they on ground, where even grant opportunities where we they see, we go to share them for the group. So we go also help you. If you want pitch, you get platform to pitch.
You know what, Mrs. Bridget, we're going to need to actually buy a small break now. When we come back, she's sitting inside the studio for those of us who are actually going to the business. And she go yarn us more things where you actually need to know right after the break. Stay with us.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.